They've gotten our troops who've befriended them through some incredibly difficult times. We've had men and women who've lost members of their units, and we're really struggling with the loss. And the dog or cat that was a part of that unit really gave them the comfort that they needed to just kind of keep doing what they had to do every day to be able to finally come home. But so do mine, so.
I was going to say, that's not uncommon for an international flight. So. It's very nice.
Where'd it go?
This is one laid-back dog.
It's jet lag.
Ratchet's very healthy, good body condition, well-nourished, good coat quality, very nice dog. Everything you want to see, especially after a very long international flight. So we're extremely pleased to make an assessment of.
I can barely take care of myself.
Yeah.
Well, that's good that you recognize that.
The majority of dogs
don't.
we've brought back have had a great bill of health, just like this.
Yeah.
Even
It was a feral cat, and so it happens.
Hey, buddy.
And it happens everywhere in the world.
yeah.